Oh, what's up, y'all? I haven't posted in a while because I was out of school, but let me just turn that down. Anywho, today we're gonna be trying out a new update. I lost like so many subscribers because I wasn't posting, but I did say I was gonna post every Sunday, but usually I got distracted. And the reason why my avatar is like this is because, well, this is my small avatar, and that's why. And this game focuses on the defense. So let's see what we should do today. Okay. We're doing the Cessna caravan cargo. Here's the plane. No, it's not a big plane, but this is one of the part of the newest update. Which, first, let me actually take a picture. So, anywho, after that, I'm trying to get my followers back. I haven't been posting, so yeah. Also, I realized you could just mute the sound on Roblox, and now y'all can't hear anything except for my voice. But this is part of the new update, and look at this. They got like a map radar, and it's pretty cool. I'm still mostly active on my TikTok, but most of the time I'm active on TikTok, but sometimes I'm active on YouTube. So anyhow, let's get going. Just slow it down. Haven't flown a plane in this game in a while. Especially because, well, I was focused with other games because I was having fun. It's officially the spooky season where I live. But not really. Depending. But, alright. So we're going to Orange, I think that's what it's called. Yeah, Orange, Tokyo International Airport. And I actually figured out that Perth International, I'm pretty sure, is located in Australia. Yeah, is that right? Yeah, because there's a city in Australia that is called Perth. I actually saw it. So that's probably where Perth International comes from. But other than that, let's take off. I can't pull up the landing gear on this plane. So, yay! I don't have to worry about it, but can't even access my camera mode in here anymore. I'm gonna take one more. Okay. You're heading all the way down. I was on a call with one of my friends. I told him I had to make a YouTube video. But other than that, yeah. Don't worry, y'all. I'll start posting a little bit more. I am very tired. I forgot these types of planes go kind of slow for their thing. I'm surprised that cargo planes can be this small. I never realized that cargo planes can be so small. This is a Cessna that we're talking about. Caravan is what Cessna caravan. If you're new to me or my channel, hi, my name is Crazy Mania. I've been posting for quite a while, not that long though. I used to have 35 subscribers and now I have 26 at the moment, but yeah, that's just because I haven't been posting, really. But my goal is to keep posting more videos like this, and I am thankful to everyone who is still subscribed to me. I wonder if they unsubscribed because I wasn't posting content. Yeah, that's probably true. But I wonder, will I get those followers back or will I get new ones, new subscribers? Who knows? Yeah, but I'm still flying. This might take a while. I'm gonna be posting some new content on here though, like not just Pilot Training Flight Simulator, but other games as well. Okay, I'm so tired of flying. One time in a video, I accidentally deleted the whole plane, and I had to scrap that and make the whole new video. The only reason why I go to Origin is because I'm not going all the way to Greater Rockford, which would take like miles or like maybe even days. Slow it to 87%. 78. 64%. All right, 54%. Here we go. Coming in, landing speed. Okay. Oh, I think this is crosswind, because it looks like we're landing at an angle. Let's get off the runway. And now we got a taxi. Let me mute the music. Now you guys can hear me a lot more better than my older videos, where you could barely even hear me. But yeah, as we're wrapping this video up, I would like to say that some people watching this video have not been subscribed. And I recommend you should totally like, subscribe, and comment what plane I should do next. Yeah, comments are going to be on this video, and I want you all to name a plane I should do in this game, or maybe you should suggest another game that involves planes. But also, y'all, name other games in the comments that aren't just about planes. That way I can play different game options that y'all might actually enjoy. The most liked ones will be the ones that I do. Alright, y'all, so other than that, this is the Cessna caravan, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.